Okay, so we're doing the video for 5th hour for the small scale reactions lab of the demonstration where we're going to add a nail to copper 2 chloride. This is the iron nail. Our demonstration shows a control of an iron nail in a test tube and the copper 2 chloride in a test tube. Everybody sees how that is. These will be both in the test tube rack for you guys to check against yours. We have a blank test tube. We're going to add some copper 2 chloride to it. This is 1 molar copper 2 chloride. I'm going to add enough of this to completely submerge the nail. Can anybody tell me why I want to have enough to completely submerge the nail?
Surface area?
Why is surface area important?
Because it would make the reaction bigger.
Why? Oh my God, you guys are going to be like the first class that's getting this. You're going to make me all proud. Go ahead. Oh my goodness, you guys are making me so happy. The reaction happens at the surface area. So if the entire surface area is covered, then the entire surface area will react. That's why we want to have it completely submerged. So we have enough in there for it to completely react. Pardon? Yes, go ahead. We're going to drop the nail into the solution. Notice what happened as soon as I put it in there. What happened to the nail? Compare. You guys see the difference? Can anybody see the difference between the nails? What happened? You guys can see. Y'all, go ahead, honey. It changed colors. It got darker, right? What else happened to it? Anybody else see anything happen? It got bigger. Why did it get bigger?
It's in a liquid, so
It's not that. It's not that actually. It's kind of weird. It seems like it's the. A lot of people think when you put it in the liquid, it's going to get magnified because of the refraction of the liquid, but it's actually not that. If you look at this liquid, you're going to see that's compared to the nail. Now look at it compared to the control liquid. What do you guys see happen with the liquid color? Anybody see anything happen with it? Let me turn on this light so you can see it. Anybody seen anything happen with the color of the liquid yet?
lighter.
How about now?
Darker.
So what is that that's happening? Why did that nail look like it's getting bigger? That copper was actually coming out of the solution and attaching itself to the side of that iron. As that iron was being attacked by that copper solution, the copper was coming out of solution and the iron was being dissolved into it. So the copper was actually attaching itself to it. It's like a mechanical retention. It was becoming the copper on the outside of it. So when I shook that and I tapped it there, the copper just knocks off there. It looks thin again because the copper is being broken off of the side of that nail now. But it's going to start getting dark again. It's going to start building back up. Okay? But the color of the solution starts turning darker green. So we're going to let this sit for a while. And then over time, you guys are going to need to come by and check this, take some pictures, and add it to your observations for the day. So let's compare these. This is you for so far. This was 3rd hour so far. Yours versus 3rd. This is yours versus 2nd so far. Anybody see any difference there? 2nd's a little bit lighter. There's still some bubbles happening there. It's still reacting a little bit. Look at 1st hour though. 1st hour is almost completely done. It's packed down there pretty tight. All right. So over the rest of this period, you guys are going to go down, look through the rest of the reactions. You're going to look and see anywhere you can add your observation box. You're looking for setting it up in the way you want it to look more about setting it up to for looks, not necessarily for doing any of your reactions. You're not balancing it. You're not predicting products. You're just setting it up for more about the way it's going to look. More about the words are escaping me right now, but um, just how it's going to be like set up. Like if you want to add boxes to it, or if you want to set it up like an open space, however you want to set up your area for your observations, you want to go ahead and set that up for yourself. Okay, go ahead and do that. And I will be uploading this. Make sure you take time, at least twice. You need to go and get observations of this, one towards the middle and one towards the end of the period, so that you can have good observations to put into your observation